Here's a clear, step-by-step explanation to help anyone safely and confidently buy cryptocurrency for the first time. Step 1. Research and understand cryptocurrency. Before buying, educate yourself about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others. Learn about their purpose, how they work, and the risks involved. Knowledge is key to making informed decisions. Step 2. Choose a reliable crypto exchange. Pick a trustworthy platform where you can buy crypto. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or Gemini. Look for exchanges with good reviews, strong security, and an intuitive interface. Step 3. Set up your account. Create an account on your chosen exchange. Be prepared to provide personal information for identity verification, as most exchanges require this for security and regulatory reasons. Step 4. Secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your account from unauthorized access. Use a strong, unique password and avoid sharing your login details with anyone. Step 5. Deposit funds. Add money to your account using a bank transfer, credit debit card, or other payment methods accepted by the exchange. Check for fees and processing times for each option. Step 6. Choose the cryptocurrency to buy. Decide which cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Start with well-established options like Bitcoin or Ethereum if you're a beginner. Step 7. Place your order. On the exchange, go to the Buy section. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to purchase and confirm the transaction. The platform will execute your order at the current market price or a price you set. Step 8. Transfer crypto to a wallet. Optional but recommended. For added security, transfer your crypto to a private wallet. You can use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor or a software wallet. Avoid keeping large amounts of crypto on exchanges long-term. Step 9. Monitor your investment. Keep track of your cryptocurrency's value and market trends. Consider using apps or tools that provide real-time updates and insights. Step 10. Learn about taxes and regulations. Understand the tax implications and legal requirements of owning crypto in your country. This will save you from surprises during tax season. Buying cryptocurrency can feel overwhelming at first, but by following these steps, you'll gain confidence in navigating the process. Which step do you find most challenging? Let me know in the comments, and I'll help clarify. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Have a question or topic you'd like us to explore with AI? Comment below.